occiput. Identify the regions again. Number 1, face. Number 2, brow or sicciput. Number 3, vertex. And number 4, occiput. Repeat after me. Biggest.
Face.
Sabi ko, repeat. Okay, one more time. Biggest.
Biggest.
Big.
Big.
Small.
Small.
Smallest.
Smallest.
Kayo lang.
Smallest. Big. Yes.
May kulang, may kulang. One more time.
Smallest. Biggest.
Biggest.
Big. Small.
Good. Tanong. What should enter the pelvic inlet first and goes out of the outlet first? Ano daw ang unang dapat papasok ng inlet at lalabas ng outlet? The one that is the biggest or the one that is the smallest?
Small. Char lang.
Anong unang papasok at lalabas dapat? Pinakamalaki o pinakamaliit?
Malaki.
Pinakamaliit para magkasya. So what are the two ideal presenting parts? Occiput or vertex. Okay? And what do you call the smallest head diameter involving the occiput? SOB. Sub-occiput bregmatic. Anong sukat ng sub-occiput bregmatic? 9.5. Kakasya ba ang 9.5 sa inlet, cavity, and outlet? Yes. Dahil anong sukat ng inlet, cavity, and outlet? 11, 12, 13. Kasyang-kasya ang 9.5. Anong biggest natin? Face. Anong tawag sa diameter involving the face? MV. Mento-vertical diameter. Gaano kalaki ang mento-vertical diameter? Minimum 13.5. Anong sukat natin sa inlet, cavity, and outlet? 11, 12, 13. May sobra siyang 0.5. Can you follow? Okay. Now, tanong. If occiput or vertex ang ating ideal presenting part, what should be the fetal attitude? Nurses, what are the two types of fetal attitude? Letter F, flexion. Letter E, extension. Therefore, which one is more ideal? Flexion. Tingin sa akin, ito yung pelvic outlet. Baliktad, di ba? Dapat nakaganon ako. Mahirap. Ito yung pelvic outlet. The head is fully flexed. What's the presenting part? Occiput. Partially flexed? Vertex. Partially extended? Brow. Fully extended?
Face.
Nagkaintindihan tayo. Are we clear? Tingala, face presentation. Yukong-yuko, occipital presentation. Nagkaintindihan. Hawakan ang ulo pababa. May biglang lubog, wala?
Yes. Meron.
Meron, wala?
Meron.
Sub-occipital area. Ito yung anterior fontanelle mo, bregma. Kaya ito yun, ito na lang siya. Ito yung SOB, sub-occiput, bregmatic, 9.5. Kasya. Now, during labor and delivery, ang baby's head hyperextended. Tingala. Tingin dito. Ito yung inlet. Ito yung baby, face ng baby, tingala. Kasya hindi. Kumbaga, yung mukha ng baby, yung facial bone niya, sadsad sa inlet bone ng nanay. Kaya ang mangyayari, ito yung inlet, ako yung baby, nakagano'n ako. Kasya hindi. O bakit nagaganon pa? Uterine contraction. During uterine contraction, the uterus is pushing the baby down. Kaya yung mukha ng baby, nakagano'n na sa loob. Kaya, kumusta ang pelvic bone ng nanay kapag face presentation? Ang sakit hindi ng balakang, ang sakit nun. Kaya pag humilab yon at face presentation, ang sakit-sakit ng balakang ko. Can you follow? Nakasadsad ang mukha ng ulo ng baby. Okay? Kung face presentation, what's the best method of delivery? Normal CS. CS. Bakit? Pag hinayaan niya ng normal delivery, unang-una yung ilalabas. Kada contract, lalo na i-stretch ang leg ng baby. Cervical bone fracture. Can you follow? Kaya the best method of delivery for face presentation is cesarean section.